In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, select Themes app or go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Themes. Now click on Themes at the bottom left corner. Choose one of those right away, or tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, like C. After that, click on the best theme for you. I will go with maybe this one, and tap on Download. Then hit Apply and wait. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on Profile at the bottom right corner instead. Now click on Themes next to Wallpapers and tap on Classic or Limitless. Lastly, click on Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!